Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear students, in your chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about alkali metals or group 1 elements from the chapter 17, that is periodic table of elements. So let's proceed towards our today's topic. Firstly, we will define that what are alkali metals or where they are located in the periodic table. So the elements in group 1 on the left of the periodic table, they are called alkali metals. अगर हम फर्स्ट ग्रुप की बात करें, that includes lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So all these metals, they are located in or they are present in group 1, which is on the extreme left side of the periodic table. So these metals are called alkali metals. Now the question arises that why they are called alkali metals. The reason is because when they react with water, they form alkalis. When these metals react with water, they form such compounds that are called alkalis. So due to this reason, these metals are called alkali metals. Okay. These metals are all very reactive, which makes them different from other metals. If we compare alkali metals with other metals, so these metals are very reactive as compared to the other metals. Okay, so here we briefly discuss that what are alkali metals and where they are located in the periodic table. Next, we will discuss some of the properties of alkali metals. Firstly, the physical properties. Physical properties are those properties that are observable or that can be seen. Like alkali metals are soft, they are as soft that they can be easily cut with knife or any other tool. Okay, here it is represented that alkali metals, they are too much soft that they can easily cut. When freshly cut, each of these elements shows a shiny and silvery surface that rapidly tarnishes in the air. आपको पता है कि मेटल्स जो हैं वो शाइनी सरफेस होती है, ठीक है. तो सेम इज द केस विद द alkali metals. When they are freshly cut, these elements show a shiny surface and that rapidly fades or tarnishes in the air. ठीक है. The next one is their melting and boiling points. Their melting and boiling points are very low as compared to the other metals. And next one is their densities. Densities are basically mass per unit volume. And lithium, sodium, and potassium, they float on water. Because of this property, because of because all these alkali metals, especially lithium, sodium, and potassium, they are very less denser or they have in very low densities. So that's why when they react with water, they float on the surface of water. ठीक है. जिस चीज़ की भी डेंसिटी पानी से कम होती है, वाटर से कम होती है, इट फ्लोट्स ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर. So here is a description of physical properties of alkali metals, and you can see their physical appearance, that how they look like lithium, sodium, and potassium. Okay. The next we will discuss that how the physical properties change on going down the group. यानी ग्रुप में जब हम मूव करते हैं तो लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम से फ्रेंसियम की तरफ मूव करते हैं, तो इनकी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज किस तरह से चेंज होती हैं. Here is some properties discussed. If we talk about their reactivity, when we move from lithium toward francium, ठीक है, यानी जब हम टॉप टू द बॉटम मूव करेंगे या जब हम मूव करते हैं फ्रॉम लिथियम टूवर्ड्स फ्रेंसियम, देन देयर रिएक्टिविटी इंक्रीजेस. ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इंक्रीज इन द एटॉमिक रेडियस. एज यू नो, that from lithium toward francium, the atomic size is increasing because atomic number is increasing. Atomic number बढ़ रहा है, number of protons बढ़ रहे हैं, shells में number of electrons बढ़ रहे हैं. तो electrons का number बढ़ेगा तो shells बढ़ेंगे, shells की increase करने से size increase होगा, so increase in the atomic radius. Okay, increase in electron shells shielding the outer electron, and increase in the ease of losing the outer electron to form a positive ion. Greater the size of an ion, greater will be, or greater is the ease of removal of outer electron. Okay, the next one is their melting and boiling points. So when we move from lithium to francium, the tendency for melting point and boiling point decreases. क्योंकि टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ आते हुए बाइंडिंग फोर्सेस वीक हो जाती हैं. इट बिकम मोर इजी टू मेल्ट और बॉयल द मेटल विच इज प्रेजेंट एट द डाउन or the bottom side of the group as compared to the metal that is present on the top of the group. Okay, and if we talk about the densities, then from top to the bottom the density increases. So due to this reason, the first three metals that are lithium, sodium and potassium, they only float on the surface of water. Here is a table shown. This table shows that the melting points and the boiling points of alkali metals decreases down the group, and the density of the alkali metals generally increases down the group. You can easily observe the values that the melting points, they are going to decrease. Same is the case with the boiling points when we move from lithium toward rubidium. But when we talk about the densities, then from lithium to rubidium the density values increases. Okay, so that was the trend or changes in the physical properties of group 1 elements, how they changes when we move from top to the bottom. The next one is some of the chemical properties, that how they react with other elements. Alkali metals, they are very reactive metals. So when they are stored in the reagent bottles, they are stored along with the oil to prevent them from reacting with air and water. यानी ये इस कदर रिएक्टिव होती हैं कि to avoid their reactivity with air and water, they are stored along with oil in the reagent bottles. Okay. Each alkali metal has one valence electron. अगर हम इनकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की बात करें, ठीक है, सो इन सब के वैलेंस शेल में वन इलेक्ट्रॉन मौजूद होता है, ठीक है, एंड दैट इज क्लियरली visible as such, like lithium having one valence electron, sodium, potassium, rubidium, this one cesium, and at the end francium. So they all having one valence electron. By losing this one valence electron, an alkali metal attains a noble gas electronic configuration. Okay, as you know that metals having tendency to lose the electron, so because their valence shell contains only one electron, so they lose this one electron, and after losing the one electron, they will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. So due to this similar electronic structure, all the alkali metals, they having similar chemical properties. ठीक है, यानी इस सिमिलर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्ट्रक्चर की बेस पे अल्कली मेटल्स की जो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो क्या होती हैं, सेम होती हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि इनकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है वो ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है कि ये एक ही तरह के आयंस बनाएंगी. ऑल द आयंस विल कैरी ओनली वन पॉजिटिव चार्ज. So due to this reason, they having very similarity in their chemical properties. And you know that this point was already been discussed in our previous lecture, that any element present in the same group, it must shows the similar chemical property. Okay. The next one is the properties or the reactivity of alkali metals with water. How do the alkali metals react with water? All the alkali metals react with cold water, यानी ये इस कदर reactive होती हैं that they even react with cold water to form hydrogen and an alkali. Alkali is basically water soluble base. Okay, so if a drop of the solution is placed on a piece of red litmus paper after the reaction, the litmus paper will turn blue. This is basically a test to identify that either a substance is acid or a base. So जब हम इस solution में एक लिटमस पेपर को प्लेस किया जाए, ठीक है, रेड लिटमस पेपर एक पीस ऑफ पेपर है, ठीक है, रेड कलर का है या ब्लू कलर का भी हो सकता है। अगर हम उस रेड कलर के पीस ऑफ पेपर में सॉल्यूशन जो है वो उसका ड्रॉप के ऊपर पुट करें, ठीक है, so if the color changes from red to blue, it means that drop was of an alkali. Okay. So basically, we were going to discuss here that how do the alkali metals react with water. तो water के साथ जब भी ये react करेंगी, तो हमारे पास जो है वो दो तरह की products बनती हैं. One of the product is hydrogen, and the other one product is alkali. So let's discuss their reactions or further explain it through this reaction. First of all, the reaction of lithium. Lithium reacts quickly with water, and lithium floats on water. This thing we already discussed before because their densities are very low, so they float on water. Lithium plus water, it forms lithium hydroxide. This lithium hydroxide is basically an alkali. And the next one product is hydrogen, hydrogen gas. The chemical reaction is shown here. Lithium, as it is metal, so it is present in solid form. When it reacts with water, okay, it forms lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, the same trend will be followed with other metals, alkali metals, when they react with water, but the extent of reaction changes. ठीक है, यानी लिथियम जो है वो वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करेगी तो लिथियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और हाइड्रोजन बनाएगी, बाकी अल्कली मेटल्स भी इसी तरह की ही प्रोडक्ट बनाती हैं, लेकिन रिएक्शन की रिएक्टिविटी जो है उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आएगा. लाइक if we talk about sodium, then it reacts very quickly as compared to lithium. अगर हम लिथियम से कंपेयर करें सोडियम को, तो सोडियम का जो रिएक्शन है वो एज कंपेयर टू लिथियम ज़्यादा क्विक होता है. ठीक है, but the products are same. Sodium plus water, it forms sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen, and the chemical equation is represented here. As we move more down the group, like if we move from lithium toward potassium, then the reaction become more violent. यानी रिएक्शन जो है वो और ज़्यादा वायोलेंट हो जाता है, विगोरस हो जाता है, और ज़्यादा क्विक हो जाता है. ठीक है, so the nature of reaction will be same like potassium and water. When they both react, it forms potassium hydroxide, that is an alkali, and hydrogen. Okay, so that was the reaction of alkali metals with some of the alkali metals with water, that when they react with water they form alkalis and hydrogen. Okay, when we move from top to the bottom, then the nature of reaction or the reaction becomes more vigorous or more violent. The next one is reaction of alkali metals with air. How alkali metals react with air? So if we talk about the reaction of air with lithium, so lithium burns with a strongly red flame. If heated in air, it reacts with oxygen in the air to give white lithium oxide. बिकॉज एयर में डेफिनेटली ऑक्सीजन है, ठीक है। सो ऑक्सीजन भी मौजूद है विद अलॉन्ग विद अदर गैसेस। सो व्हेन लिथियम इज रिएक्टेड विद एयर और इट अंडरगो दैट प्रोसेस इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड कंबस्शन, ठीक है। तो जब ये ऑक्सीजन या एयर के साथ रिएक्ट करती हैं दे विल डेफिनेटली फॉर्म द कंपाउंड्स विच आर कॉल्ड ऑक्साइड्स, okay. Lithium, it reacts with oxygen to form lithium oxide, that is a solid of white color, okay. And the flame color of lithium is here red flame, okay. The next one is reaction of air with sodium. When small pieces of sodium burn in air with often bright yellow flame, ओके। जब हम सोडियम का रिएक्शन करवाते हैं एयर के साथ तो ये बर्न होती है विद येलो फ्लेम, इट प्रोड्यूसेस अ वाइट सोडियम ऑक्साइड। तो डेफिनेटली जो ये कंपाउंड बनाती है when sodium reacts with oxygen it forms sodium oxide that is a solid of white color, okay. The next one is reaction with potassium. Potassium burns in air with often lilac colored flame, it produces white potassium oxide. When potassium reacts with oxygen or air, it forms potassium oxide. Okay, here the flame colors are represented: red, yellow for sodium, red for lithium, and lilac for potassium. So that was the brief description that how alkali metals react with air. Okay, at the end we will discuss the most important reaction of alkali metals with non metals. alkali metals जो हैं वो non metals के साथ किस तरह से react करती हैं। The most important is a reaction with chlorine, or you can observe that formation of sodium chloride, one of the important industrial chemical. Chlorine react with hot alkali metal to form metal chloride salts. क्लोरीन जो है जब इसका क्लोरीन डेफिनेटली नॉन मेटल है, क्लोरीन गैशियस फॉर्म में मौजूद होती है, ठीक है। इसका रिएक्शन जब भी होता है अल्कली मेटल के साथ किसी भी, तो ये उस मेटल का रिस्पेक्टिव क्लोराइड बना देती है बिकॉज मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल्स आर कंबाइनिंग, सो द न्यूली फॉर्म्ड कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड salt, okay. The group 1 metals burn in chlorine with bright flame. Here you can see that we having a flask, and in this flask chlorine gas is present. When sodium reacts with chlorine, then it burns with a bright flame, and formation of sodium chloride is occurs. On going down the group, the reaction becomes more vigorous. जैसे जैसे हम सोडियम से डाउन द ग्रुप मूव करते जाएंगे, ठीक है, रिएक्शन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिएक्शन ऑफ alkali metals with chlorine. So the reaction become more vigorous because the reactivity of alkali metals increases down the group. Okay, here sodium was present in solid form. When it reacts with chlorine that was present in gaseous form, it forms sodium chloride. Okay, so that was all about today's lecture. Here we discussed in detail about the first group elements or alkali metals. I hope you all understand it very well. Thank you very much. Goodbye.